Hi children, good morning. Today we are talking about pair of linear equation class 10. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Actually we studied in class 9. Pair of linear equation in two variables. But in class 9, not pair. Linear equation two variables. You know the general form. Roughly I'm talking now. Then I will come to the screen. Equation we know. S plus B is equal to 0. 3s minus 2 is equal to 5. It is an equation. That equation we can solve. There is no confusion. I know. 3x is equal to 0 plus 2, 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 3. Four fundamental things are there. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Class 7 and 8 we studied that. So what is the general form of linear equation? X plus b is equal to 0. Now we are talking about general form of linear equation two variables. S plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where a and b are not equal to 0. You know, C is a question. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. So remember s plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is general form of a linear equation two variables. Linear means power is 1, we know. Power of the variable. Here x and y are the variable. S plus by plus c is equal to 0. S to the power of 1, y to the power of 1 and n b are the coefficient, not is equal to 0. I think it is clear. C is the coefficient. C is the constant. Then after that we studied a linear equation. One variable has only one solution. But a linear equation two variable has many solutions. Class 9. That is why I told you x minus 7 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 10. One solution. Linear equation one variable. Now what about the linear equation two variable? S plus y is equal to suppose 11. Don't say, no, you are talking about linear equation. In one variable as one variable, linear equation two variable, two solution. Linear equation one variable as one solution, I know. That is the root. But linear equation two variable has not two solutions, many solutions. Three conditions are there. Three conditions. That is, I am coming to the pair of linear equation two variables. That different one. But what I am talking about, linear equation one variable has one solution, but linear equation two variable has many solutions. And write all of it. Not I will give you. Linear equation two variable has many solutions. S plus y is equal to 7. X is equal to 5 plus 2. Y is equal to 2, 7. X is equal to 10. 10 minus 3. That is 7. Correct or not? 4 minus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 100 minus 93, 7. Many solutions are there. So think like this. A linear equation two variable has many solutions. That means infinitively many solutions. Are you following or not? One. Linear equation one variable has one solution, but linear equation in two variable has many solutions. Write it, many solutions. But we are talking about this one, chapter 3, that the pair of linear equation in two variables. What is the difference? Here pair is the two pair. Two equation has maybe what I can say. Look here. You know a linear equation is this is a linear equation. It's a straight line. That is my line. The spelling. Another straight line. See. Now a pair of linear equation. Till now it was one linear equation. One linear equation, two variable, many solutions. One linear equation in one variable, only one solution. It must be clear about the algebra. Sorry. Now we are talking about pair of linear equation two variable. Can you see the black pen and another? This is the marker. I can say I am writing this one. Okay. Anyway, maybe the line parallel, no solution. That means this we can say a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This chapter is over. I know every school this chapter is over. That is why I'm rushing. And you know, it is there, ask me. Now, three conditions you can see. A pair of linear equation, two variable, maybe like railway track, no solutions, no coinciding. So, for that, what we can say, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It is there, the condition in the textbook, you can see. Another one may be like this, intersection. Two lines are intersecting. Look, two lines are intersecting. One solution is there. That means a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Second condition. Three cases are there. Then last condition, third condition, what is that? Parallel, coinciding, that means intersection. Third one exactly same, on the same, coincide, same. Every line is a solution, everything a solution. That is why there is another condition is there. a1 by a2, that is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2, that is equal to b1 by b2, but is equal to c1 by c2. Please be careful. I think three condition is clear. First condition a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Second condition a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. No, sorry, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not is equal to c1 by 2. Constants are not equal. That is parallel line. I told you parallel line, right? Line, parallel line. Now, third condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means infinitely many solutions and coincident. Lines and coincident. Three conditions are. What I told? Two lines, pair of linear equation means two lines. Maybe no solution. First I told you, don't confuse. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not is equal to c1 by c2. Clear? Next one, what I told you, one solution. That means a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Third one, many solution, coincidence. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That is very easy. So a1s plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2s plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is one line. This is another line, another line. My pocket one pen is another line. I think two conditions are clear. Okay, then let me share the screen. Let me try. So in that time, please think about. Please. I look here. All of you, please listen. You can see here, chapter 3, what I told you before. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Can I say PLE 2V? Pair of linear equation in two variables. After this, I will use like this pair of linear equation in two variables because this chapter is big sentence. Okay. So what I told before, here we can see pair of linear equation in two variables. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. That is why I am talking about pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair, that means two. I think it is very clear for you. So, how can we solve? A pair of linear equation in two variables has three conditions. A pair of linear equation, I told you, general formula for pair of linear equation in two variables. What is that? S plus by plus c is equal to 0. A linear equation in two variables has many solutions. Yes. Say yes, sir. S plus y is equal to 1, 3, 13. It's a linear equation, one variable. I can give here 10 and 3. 10 plus 3, 10 and 3. I can give here 2 and 2 plus 11. Correct? Not 10 plus 3, 13. I can give 100 minus or plus minus. That means 87. 100 minus 87 is 30. So we can do infinitively many. Infinitively many we can say. Many, okay? Infinitive many. But a pair of linear equation, two variable has maybe one solution, maybe two solutions, maybe many solutions. That is why A1 by A2, first condition. Listen here, all of you. What I told you in the intro, it is everything is here. A1 by A2. Can you see A1 by A2? Now look here. You can see here B1 by B2. B1 by B2. Then another one we can see C1 by C2. C1 by C2. I am writing here. Now here are the condition. Three conditions are there. All of you remember a pair of linear equation, two variable, general form. These are the general form. All of you write the general form. General form a pair of linear equation, two variables. A1s plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2s plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Before that, we wrote general form of a linear equation in one variable, that is s plus b is equal to 0. Two variable s plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here only one solution. You can write the example. Here many solution. You can write the example. Here now in class 10. Now this is the subject. This is class 9. Up to class 9 we studied this one. Many solution, many things are. Dear children, if you have any doubt, don't hesitate. Feel free and contact me. I am available. WhatsApp or phone number doesn't matter. You know my number. Okay. Now what are the conditions? Three conditions. First one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. I am not talking about C1 by C2. Here, if A1 by A2 A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. That means one line will be like this, another line intersecting line. So solutions are there. Here, suppose this is blue line. You know, linear equation line, the spelling you can see, this is line. That is why line, linear equation means one line. Pair means two lines, I told you. Now here is the point. A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. For example, suppose I am writing here one equation. Any equation I can write, doesn't matter. S plus 3y. Now, listen here. S plus 3y. Anything we can write, for example. Not is equal to, I am doing S plus 2y. That is, suppose S plus 2y is equal to, this is 2y. That means 8, suppose. S plus 2y, that is equal to 8. Then suppose this is x minus, all of you please listen, 2x minus y, that is equal to 1. Here you can see very simple, beautiful two equations are there. S plus 2y is equal to 8, S2s minus y is equal to 1. All of you write this one. I am talking about first condition. Here what is A1? A1 is equal to 1 into x. A1, 1 by, what is A2? 1 by 2. Now you have to see B1, that is 2. And what is B2, my dear children? B2? Not 1. Here 1. A1 is 1, but minus 1. Now it is very clear, half is not is equal to minus 2. So it has one solution. Are you following or not? So many things I told, 5 minutes intro I gave you, everything I told. Now first condition I am talking about linear equation, one variable. No, sorry, pair of linear equation, two variable as 2, 3 condition. First condition. Remember A1s plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Here first A2s plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now come to this point 1 and 2. Here I gave you s plus 2y is equal to 8. 2s minus y is equal to 1. You can make your own equation. Doesn't matter because class 9 you study this one. Two conditions. So first condition here A1 is in this question A1 is 1, B1 is 2. And tell me what is C1, my dear children? C1 is not 8, minus 8 because general standard form we have to write. This is s plus 2y, s plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a standard form. First you have to write in standard form, then you have to think. So here A1 not is equal to A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by 2. That is the first condition we have. Your textbook is telling algebraic interpretation. That means we have one solution, exactly one solution, unique solution. Now can you find out the solution? All of you please find out the solution. S plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2s minus y is equal to 1. So how can you find out the solution? Elimination method is there, substitution method is there, whatever the method you can find out the answer. I am doing elimination by substitution method. Okay, now listen here. One solution is there, I can solve. Now listen, all of you next page please. Are you following or not? Any doubt, please tell me. I am going to change the page, please. Before the right. Okay, fine. Listen. S plus 2y is equal to s. 2s minus y is equal to 1. That is the equation. Okay. Now, how can we solve this one? Second and third condition I told you. A1 by A2. That is equal to B1 by B2. That is equal to C1 by C2. That means many solutions. Third one, no solution. A1 by A2. That is equal to B1 by B2. Not is equal to C1 by 2. Constant not is equal. Now we can solve this one, all of you please. S plus 2y is equal to 8. S2s minus y is equal to 1. S plus 2y is equal to 8. 2s minus y is equal to 1. S plus 2y that is equal to 8. Then what is the second equation? Tell me. Listen here. Two x minus y. 2x minus y that is equal to 1. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now how can we solve this one? Only one solution, we told, only one solution. How can we solve this one? All of you please listen. Try to solve s plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, we can do first s plus 2y is equal to 8. Make the coefficient equal in standard form. Okay, no problem. First is x plus, what I did, I need 2. I had to make coefficient here 1, 2. That means 2. Equation 1 into 2. All of you do like this. Equation 1 into 2. That implies equation 1 into 2, you are multiplied by 2. 2x. Then 2 into 2, 4y. That is equal to 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16. Correct? Now this is the third equation. Now we can do second equation exactly the same thing. We can write 2x minus y. That is equal to 1. This is the second equation. There is no confusion. This is the second equation. Now listen here. Equation 3 and 2. 2, 2. We can subtract the 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus 2 is 0. 4y minus 1. What is this? 4y minus 5y. Look here. 5y. Are you following or not? 4 minus 5y is equal to 16 minus 1, that is 15. So y is equal to 15 by 5. Y is equal to 3. 15 by 5, that is equal to 3 5s are 15. We got y, but elimination method we got x. We eliminated x. Now elimination by substitution. Y is equal to 3. Now substitute any word here. It is easy. We know substitution. Substitute in 1. That means s plus 2y, that is equal to 8. That means x is equal to, we don't know, 2 into y, 2 into 3, that is equal to 8. X plus 6, s plus 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 2. It is exactly correct. We got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is an order for this is the solution. S coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. This is the solution. We can check this one. S plus 2y checking. We can do here in one checking. X, what is your x? 2 plus 2 into 3, 6. That is equal to 8. LHS equal to RHS. We are happy. LHS equal to RHS. This is the way we have to solve. We can solve pair of linear equation two variables. I told you linear equation in one variable has one solution. S plus 3 is equal to 7, the S is equal to 4. Or y minus 10 is equal to 5, then y is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 5y minus 10 is equal to 50. So y is equal to 25. 25 minus 10 is 50. But a linear equation in two variable has many solutions. S plus y is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2. Then y minus 2, many things are there, I told you. Class 9, I told you. This year what we studied? A pair of linear equation, two variables. That is why I told you one equation, this one, and linear equation, two variables. These are two equations, pair, two. Now we are talking about this one, no, don't confuse. Here one solution. The two lines are intersecting here, maybe or maybe like this, they are touching one solution. We got x is equal to. That is why a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2y plus a2s plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is a1s plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is a2s plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It's a pen line, two line. So maybe first condition I am talking, tomorrow I will talk. Next period I will talk about the second and third condition. Here intersection one point only. That is why I study that a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. You are looking the coefficient of x and coefficient of y only. Understand here 2s plus 4y is equal to 16 or 2s minus, s plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2s minus y is equal to 1. I think you understood. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Homework. Write linear equation in one variable, two example, and solve it. Write two examples, linear equation, one variable, and solve it. Second, pair of linear equation, two variable, you have to write three examples and write 5 solutions. We cannot find out solution. Many solutions are. Clear? Clear or not? Next one. Second question, write a linear equation, two variable and find 5 solutions, not pair. All of you correct it. Write two linear equation in two variable, on the three linear equation in two variables and find out 5 solutions for each. Don't find out many solutions. We cannot. Last but not the least, write 3 examples of pair of linear equation in two variables and solve it. Write 3 examples of pair of linear equation in two variable and solve it. Try to find out, write the example, intersecting lines. That means a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Okay then, bye-bye. Any doubt you can ask. Clear? No doubt. Okay then, bye-bye, bye-bye.